You think you earned your weekend. You didn't. A factory owner gave it to you, and not because they cared. For most of human history, there was no Saturday, no Sunday, no universal pause. Time followed sunlight. Work ended when the field was planted or when the job was finished. Then, factories arrived. Machines didn't care about daylight. They ran as long as coal burned, so people did too. 6 days a week, 14 hours a day, entire cities moving to the rhythm of steel and steam. But something broke. Exhausted workers made mistakes, accidents increased, output slowed. The math was brutal. One rested worker produced more than 2 exhausted ones. So factory owners tried something radical. They stopped the machines. 1 fixed day off for everyone. Productivity rose. Then they tried 2. By the early 1900s, the 5-day work week wasn't a social gift. It was a performance upgrade. And once that rhythm locked in, everything aligned to it. Schools, banks, transport, television schedules, sport, global markets, your social life. Billions of people living inside the same weekly loop. Now imagine factories never standardized time. No shared weekend, no collective reset. Your days off rarely matching anyone else's. No Friday feeling, no global synchronization. Life would still move, but without rhythm. The weekend feels inevitable. It isn't. It was engineered. Just like your wages, your freedoms, your insurance, your phone. Which means if one industrial shift shaped your time, what else in your life only exists because history forced it to? And what would happen if it hadn't?